Welcome back, everybody. We are here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge to open up a pack of the Sweet Dreams blind pack set of Disney pins. There are so many cute ones in this set. Which top three are you hoping to get?
Probably Bernard and Bianca, Dinah, and Lucifer.
Perfect. Fingers crossed. You should just blindly reach in and grab it out.
So our first one.
We got Figaro.
Yeah, Figaro.
He's
Yeah,
so cute.
He was also one of the ones I really wanted.
All right, number two. Oh, we got Simba.
Oh, Simba.
Perfect,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Oh.
And it's Lady.
Oh, cute.
Two more.
You got
I
it.
got this
Yes,
one.
you got it. Oh, that one is so cute.
And I thought it was two characters too.
Mm-hmm. Last
Last
one.
one.
You had some good pulls on this
I know,
one.
yeah. Who's it? Oh, it's
Oh, it's Dumbo.
Dumbo.
Follow along for more Disney theme park content.